So we're now very thankful that we don't live on the first floor because the bottom of our apartment complex got flooded, which is not good for anybody. So this is the outside. This is all hail. It's really cold. The ice is cold. It's not that cold outside. We just walked through puddles of ice. Oh, yep, and this is all, there's the water that's just running into the bottom. So yeah, kind of like snow, but it's hail. And the road right there was practically a river. It was totally covered. And it's lightning out here, so we're gonna go inside, so we're, oh! You didn't see that, but it was right there. Not standing out here with an umbrella.